Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you, or you will be watching me attempt to make these jeans low-waisted. Okay, I have watched some YouTube videos and TikTok videos as well, and we just gonna finesse this and see how it works out. So I'm gonna try this on and show you guys how it looks, and then I will get to cutting and sewing and you will tell me how I did. Alright, so this is how it looks on. Just baggy. Let me turn it this way. Here you go. So, and this is where the crutch is all the way down here, because I want it to sit right here where it is on the waist. And if it is like this low, like, you know, so I am going to have to take in about this much, but I'm not doing it like this, like what they do on TikTok. Let's not do that. I will be lowering this waistband lower. So I'm gonna pull this up here up until where I need it, and I'm gonna mark with my chalk where I need to cut, basically. So here, let's see over here. Alright, so you can't see the marking, but I can see for the back I'm going to use this line right here, or maybe a little bit over this, so like a little bit over this little stitch line. So yes. Alright, so I will go cut around here. Actually, let me show you. So I'll also be cutting the zipper, so make sure that your zipper is down, okay? Because you don't want this part of the zipper to come off and then you can't get it back on, so keep that low. So I'm gonna cut like here. Cut around here all the way around to take the waistband off, and then you're gonna open and seam rip the waistband. Alright, so this is what I am left with for the belt strap. Now I'm going to seam rip open the belt strap, and then I'm going to insert from here all the way around. I'm going to insert this, like the new pants line, and sew it up. So that's what I'm going to do now.